Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram. You can't send messages for 3 days. So all what you wanna do guys is open your Instagram and then go to your profile, go to the top corner, click on those three lines and then go to the settings right here. Right here you will find all the settings on your Instagram. So click on this help option. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Click on this report a problem option, and now click down here on report problem without shaking, and after that you have to click on this take a screenshot or gallery and send your problem screenshot to the Instagram support team. Click next and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.